Welcome. If you've ever wanted to send a GIF in a chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, from your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, sharing animated reactions and fun moments is easier than ever. Let's walk through the simple steps to send a GIF to a chat on X using your browser. First, open your browser and head over to the X website. Log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and click on the Messages tab. This will take you to all your private conversations. Next, scroll through your messages and click on the chat where you want to send the GIF. If you haven't started a conversation yet, you can create a new one by entering the username of the person you want to message. Inside the chat window, look for the GIF icon. It usually sits right below the message box, next to the emoji and image icons. Click on the GIF icon, and a library of trending and searchable GIFs will pop up. You can browse through the popular options or type a keyword into the search bar to find the perfect GIF for your message. Once you spot the GIF you want to send, simply click on it. The GIF will instantly appear in your message box, ready to go. If you're happy with your choice, just hit the send button, and your GIF will be delivered straight into the chat. That's all there is to it. With these quick steps, you can add a bit of fun and personality to your conversations on X. Whether you're reacting to a friend's message or just want to make someone smile, sending a GIF is now just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching, and enjoy chatting with GIFs on X.